Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do the KYC step 2. The KYC step 2 will appear when you click your mining button to continue your new mining session. When you see the KYC step 2, you click the continue button and then it will explain you need to verify with your X Twitter account. Step number 1, you need to open your X Twitter account and search for ICE blockchain account. Number 2, you need to find the pin post, which is the first post on the profile of ICE blockchain Twitter. Number 3, you need to like and repost with quote using the exact text below as shown below, like this. You don't need to highlight and copy. You just click on the icon copy like the right arrow and then you click continue button. Okay, when you finish click continue button, it will show confirm. You need to click on the confirm button. When you click the confirm button, the page will open like this. You need to enter the link that you copy from the Twitter as is instructed before. So you need to go to the to your X Twitter account. So now go to the X Twitter account and then you need to click on the lens button below. You see here, click on the lens button. At the search box, you need to type ICE blockchain. It will appear recommendation ICE decentralized future with orange badge. The username is @ICE_blockchain. Click on this. It will appear the ICE decentralized feature Twitter. Go to the pin post like this, ICE decentralized feature, and then you need to like it at the left one until right. And then you can see the arrow up and down. It is repost. You need to click on that. It will appear, choose the quote and paste at the add comment. And then you click on repost. It will show notification your post was sent. Go back, click on the arrow on the top left, click on your profile photo, click profile, and then you will see your reposted on your Twitter like this. You need to click at the bottom, the right button, you need to click on the icon share, click copy link. Once you copy it, go back to your ICE, enter the link, you need to paste like this. Once you paste, you click verify and then click confirm and then wait for the confirmation. It shows the countdown. Once completed, it shows verification completed and congratulations, you have done your KYC step 2. Click the continue button. Thank you.